This is Sophia, and Sophia wants to show us how to solve this problem.
Ruth Sophia owned 11 tokens. Mohan owned 3 less than Sophia. Lucinda owned 5 more than Mohan. How many more tokens did Lucinda get than Boohoo Sophia? So this is how I answered it. We make a number line.
Okay.
Sophia had 11, but we take away 3. So we go down 3. 1, 2, 3, and minus 1.
Each hump is minus 1? Okay.
So that means this goes to 10, 9, and 8. So 8 is our answer.
So Sophia has 11 tokens, and Mohan has...
Mohan has, so it's M-O-H-A, and Mohan on 8 tokens.
8. Yep. Now we have to find out about Lucinda. Okay.
Lucinda.
Now we have to figure out what Lucinda had.
But Lucinda had 5 more. So we do like this. 8 plus 5 equals blank. So that's how much Lucinda has. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now she has 13. So it's 8 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8. So we know that's 13.